Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil, and today I will show you one more video related to the KNIME. And this video will be a grouping, means how you can do a grouping in a KNIME, okay, and very effectively, and it's very easy. You have to just use a simple node and then you are good to go. But before that, in the previous video I have explained also how you can download the different data sources for the practice purpose. Let's say if you are doing a visualization, then or if you are doing machine learning kind of a thing, or if you are doing any ETL tool like Alteryx or KNIME, then you can use the Kaggle website, and where you will get different data sources, whatever you want, simple, from very simple to very complex data structures also, so that you can use that for your practice purpose. So for today, what I have done is, if I minimize this, I have downloaded this. Let me cancel this. I have downloaded this coffee sales CSV files, and I want to let me first pull that data. Okay, so in Alteryx, like there is only one tool where you can connect to CSV, Excel, or different data sources, but for in KNIME we have, for CSV we have different node, for Excel we have different node. So currently I have CSV file. So what I will do, I will click on browse, I will open my desktop because my file is in a desktop, and I will select that file. So this is the data in the preview mode. I will just click on apply and OK, and if I execute this, there are 3, 5, 4, 7 rows and 11 columns in my CSV file. And if you see, this is the coffee related data, means they have different types of coffee name and the time of, I think they are doing some billing kind of a data, I guess. They have time also, they have weekdays, month number, week number, and all this thing, and payment mode, what they have done, card or cash, and they have date also. So they have monthly sales also. So what you have to do is, let's say if I want to see a month wise sales for this particular data, then what I will do is I will do grouping. There is a tool, there is a node called group. So what you have to do is you have to just drag this and you have to connect this. So what after connection means, you have to do a grouping based on string values, okay, or in manual you can use okay, any which way, string or integer or whatever you want. So I want grouping based on month wise. So I will do is I will select month name, and in manual aggregation is where you will sum up the data. So I will use money, okay, because I want sales. And in the mean means there is a different aggregation method, so you have to select a sum because we want sum, right? And in a column setting, there are three different settings. Keep original name means the original name will be there, or aggregation means that, let's say coffee money, so money in bracket sum will be there, sum will appear, right? And column name aggregation method means same kind of, where they get some initials or at the end or last, right? So I will use a keep original name, and I will apply and OK. And if I play this, so I get the data based on month wise. Or similarly, if you want, let's say if I copy paste this, okay, same setting will be applied over here because I have just copied that. So in this case, what I will do is I will, because we have different types of coffees, so I will use a coffee name, and in the manual aggregation I will keep same. And if I apply, let's see, so we have different types of coffee and coffee wise monthly sales, okay. So Americano with milk, and I think they have data from April, August, December to September. Same for Americano, April to September, okay. So this is how you will get the data by using the GroupBy function. You can do similar things. Let's say if you want, let's try one more thing. You need a time, right? Let's try for this. If I use timing, okay, let's do this unique count. Let's try concatenate and let's see what will happen. Okay, so money, I think I have done a concatenation on time, but I want on time of day. I want on a time of day. So what I will do is I will remove this time of day, I will select and I will use a concatenate and I will apply. Okay. So I'll get right. So Americano, so the most timing means I just for the testing purpose I have added this. And practically it doesn't make any sense, but yeah, you can do a concatenation also in this grouping. Okay, so this is how you can manage or do a grouping in a KNIME, and it's very easy method, right? So if you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.